July recall 2024 and 273 hundredths. Insta, der Sexalman 7000. 1. In custodial death, inquest done by judicial magistrate. 2. Which test not done in India to predict girls' sexual intercourse minus two-finger test. 3. Lemon sign seen in open spina bifida. 4. Blood sugar in long-term monitored by HbA1c. 5. IUCD inserted within minus 42 hours. 6. Trisomy 18 image question. 7. TB treatment in India by Nikshay. 8. Water filter dialysis 0.005 nm. 9. Anti-diabetic which cause hypoglycemia glimpride. 10. Fear of height acrophobia. 11. Common cause of anemia in old age chronic disease. 12. Triple bubble sign seen in jejunal atresia. 13. Cotton wool skull is seen in Paget's disease. 14. Clinical picture of subdural hemorrhage. 15. Rosette cataract image. 16. Tumor marker of carcinoid syndrome HIA. 17. Fall on outstretched hand scaphoid fracture. 18. Bartholin cyst postero 1/3. 19. Vitamin A deficiency Vitot spots. 20. Lippy's loop image. 21. Curtain falling vision retinal detachment. 22. Epinephrine produced from which layer image. 23. Cherry red spot on fundoscopy Tay-Sachs disease. 24. Image of posterior tibial artery palpation. 25. Basophilic granules seen in CMV infection. 26. Daily fluid requirements for 3-year-old baby, birth weight 1300 gm. 120 to 130 milliliter per kilogram per day. 27 child of CFTR, name the channel defect, CL. 28. Which of following conditions, with unconjugated hyperbilirubinemia? Gilbert syndrome. 29 newborn weak lower limb pulse, strong upper limb pulses. COA. 30. Mid-parental height, father 183 centimeters, mother 175 centimeters. 185. 5. 31. Child can ride bicycle, but cannot hop. 3. 5 years. 32. Newborn with dry, rough skin, big tongue cretinism. 33. Pedigree chart, mitochondrial defect. 34. Image trisomy 18. 35. Dermatitis herpetiformis celiac disease. 36. Low HB, low reticulocyte, decrease erythroid precursor red cell aplasia. 37. Cleft lip, palate, mental problems Patau syndrome. 38. Earliest marker in MI ischemia modified albumin. 39. Decreased in acute inflammation albumin. 40. Mechanism of CRISPR genome editing. 41. 35-year male testicular mass seminoma. 42. Most radiosensitive testis. 43. Langerhans cell TB. 44. 35-year, abdominal pain, joint pain, palpable purpura, IgA vasculitis. 45. Primary lymphoid organ thymus. 46. Unconjugated hyperbilirubinemia, Gilbert syn. 47. Hexanucleotide repeat disorder frontotemporal dementia. 48. Normal flora of conjunctiva staph epidermidis. 49. Truck driver painful gentles, chancroid. 50. Vector of Orientia pseudoscamushi mite. 51. Treatment of Casal's necklace. Nicotinamide. 52. Triple bubbles image seen in jejunal atresia. 53. Shrugging of shoulder trapezius muscle. 54. Indirect inguinal hernia which nerve injured commonly ilioinguinal. 55. Most common cancer in females in India, breast cancer. 56. Name the incision for appendectomy McBurney. 57. Dilated tortuous leg vein, pulsatile, visible arteriovenous fistula. 58. Image of trophic ulcer. 59. Reddish mucosal, image given, next management, biopsy. 60. During hypovolemic shock, high vascular resistance seen. 61. Flap used in pilonidal sinus repair, bilobed flap. 62. Child recurrent vomiting, hypokalemic seen. 63. Lady after delivery, breast tenderness, high-grade fever breast abscess. 64. Thyroglossal cyst treatment cyst trunk operation. 65. Skin graft image given split thickness skin graft. 66. Tension pneumothorax, needle insertion 5th intercostal space. 67. During bronchoscopy, 25 centimeters which structure damage can arch of aorta. 68. MTP failure contraception can be done 20 weeks till. 69. G2P1 at 17 weeks, BP 148 100ths. Chronic hypertension. 70. Postcoital pill lung 1. 5 milligrams. 71. Marker of ectopic pregnancy beta HCG. 72. Tandem radiotherapy is used, cervical cancer. 73. To prevent neural tube defect folic acid given. 74. Cord clamping in third stage of labor done, after 1 minute. 75. Postpartum IUCD can be given till 48 hours. 76. Ventous is contraindicated preterm baby. 77. Forceps apply at which station, head on perineum. 78. Bartholin cyst, postero 1/3. 79. When early cord clamping done, non-vigorous baby. 80. Mallampati score is used for endotracheal intubation. 81. NMDA blocker ketamine. 82. Contraindication of BIPAP machine, unconscious patient. 83. ASA1 grading normal patient. 84. During CPR compression to ventilation ration. 32. 85. Lactulose is made up of galactose and fructose. 86. Exclusive breastfeeding done 6 months. 87. Baby immediately crying after breastfeeding, vomiting, diarrhea, lactose intolerance. 88. Bombay blood group, O group. 89. Alkaptonuria case. 90. Family slept in a room with stove on, died, Colorado poisoning. 91. Casal's necklace seen, niacin deficiency. 92. Anterior wall MIECG. 93. Trendelenburg test image. 94. Ethambutol, optic neuritis. 95. Expired vaccine discard yellow. 100. A person suddenly fell, a iron nail hit posterior triangle, shoulder drop, spinal accessory nerve. 101. Person fell on outstretched hand, pain and swelling at base of thumb scaphoid fracture. 102. To confirm abducent nerve involved, look lateral side. 103. During ductus arteriosus, which structure can be damaged, left recurrent laryngeal nerve. 104. Nose X-ray image given, arrow towards cribriform plate, anosmia. 105. Joint between epiphysis and diaphysis, synchondrosis. 106. Anterior fontanelle flows 12 to 24 months. 107. Liver image given, segment 8. 108. During surgery of ear, surgeon injured nerve, nodus ligophthalmos, cranial nerve 7 injury. 109. Psoriasis image given guttate psoriasis. 110. Lips lesions, fever, finding in Sank smear, multinucleated giant cells. 111. Female after sun exposure, brownish pigmentation on face melasma. 112. Cause of sudden painful vision angle closer glaucoma. 113. Oil drop cataract, galactosemia. 114. Anesthetic agent used in cataract surgery, lignocaine 2%. 115. Diagnosis, power plus 5D and plus 1D, an isometric amblyopia. 116. Acute attack of migraine sumatriptan. 117. Which drug cause hand-foot syndrome, capecitabine. 118. Mechanism of methotrexate inhibits dihydrofolate reductase, decreased DNA synthesis. 119. Mechanism of rivaroxaban inhibition of factor XA. 120. Low mood, decreased interest history of 5 years ago also recurrent depressive disorder. 121. Alcoholic patient, altered sensorium, disorientation, tremors, insects crawling, delirium tremens. 122. Delirium tremens treatment lorazepam. 123. Alcoholic, confusion, ataxia, diplopia treatment, thymine. 124. Fear of height acrophobia. 125. BMI normal, forceful vomiting, bulimia nervosa. 126. GOS68 PSMA scan used, prostate cancer. 127. Miliary TB X-ray image given. 128. Arpergilloma image given. 129. Which is absent in smooth muscle, troponin. 130. Smooth muscle contraction binds, calmodulin. 131. Maximum water absorption PCT. 132. Hormone increase during stress, starvation GH. 133. ABG analysis, respiratory acidosis. 134. Nausea vomiting during pregnancy domperidone. 135. Tash-Nor image given. 136. Offense was of unsound mind, McNaughton rule. 137. Tachycardia, arrhythmias, multiple scratch marks, cocaine. 138. Population at PHC 150,000. 139. Ideal ANC visit 12 to 14 visits. 140. Blindness, less than 3/60ths. 141. PSM study cross-sectional study. 142. Injection for rheumatic fever, secondary prevention. 143. Per capita space for each worker 500 cubic feet. 144. Drink iced tea, reduce weight, relationship, and direct. 145. Inhibiting people's independent thought, health propaganda. 146. Most common cancer females, breast cancer. 147. Edema, visual disturb, heart failure, sanguinarine. 148. Percentage of data falls 1 stat. Debbie 68%. 149. Number of live births per 1,000 women in the reproductive age group, GFR. 150 Libby's loop image. 151. Wasting in a child, weight per height. 152. Fluoride concentration, causing crippling, more than 10 milligrams per liter. 153. MMR and IMR to be achieved by 2030-70 and 30. 154. Cotton dust, byssinosis. 155. 6 times 6 times 6 intervention anemia Mukbarat. 156. NMR calculation 50. 157. Morbidity increase incidence will increase. 158. Extradural hemorrhage, middle meningeal artery. 159. Rule of 9 burn percentage count minus 45%. 160. In diabetic patients cause hypoglycemia, sulfonylurea. 161. Herpingina caused by Coxsackie virus. 162. Lady previously LCSC now occipital posterior position, normal vaginal delivery. 163. P1L1 women, intermenstrual bleed first investigation, urine pregnancy test. 164. Abnormal menstrual cycle length, more than 35 days. 165. GI surgery, jejunum resected which drug need to add to teduglutide. 166. Patient hypertriglyceridemia best to reduce TG, fenofibrate. 167. Plasmodium falciparum treatment ACT. 168. Drug used HIV, tenofovir. 169. Flask-shaped ulcer treatment, metronidazole. 170. Drug used in post-op muscle paralysis, neostigmine. 171. Ethosuximide mechanism, inhibits CA channel. 172. Mechanism of local anesthesia blocks NOT channel. 173. Drug used to test myasthenia gravis edrophonium. 174. Codman's triangle seen in osteosarcoma. 175. Growth behind the Heilon talus bone, exostosis. 176. Salter-Harris classification type 2. 177. RTA, fracture of tibia fibula, bumper fracture. 178. In TB of hip leg shortening, stage 3. 179. DNA defect repair due to double-strand breaks, xeroderma pigmentosa. 180. Zellweger syndrome deficiency, peroxisomal beta oxidation. 181. Electrophoresis shows M spike in gamma region, lower back pain, Bence-Jones protein in urine. 182. Mechanism of secondary messenger, modulate intracellular hormone response. 183. Function of inhibin, negative feedback to FSH. 184. Hypertension in pregnancy, labetalol. 185. Third-degree uterine prolapse sling surgery. 186. Gaze box indicator obese. 187. Paris green dust kills Anopheles larva. 188. Inability to identify the face prosopagnosia. 189. Dose-responsive curve C is competitive antagonist. 190. Kaposi sarcoma CD4 count, less than 200. 191. Sudden loss of vision, no fundal glow, vitreous hemorrhage. 192. blunt trauma, rosette cataract. 193. Chili failure to thrive, chronic diarrhea, gluten-free rice. 194. Hollow viscous perforation image. 195. Motorcyclist with RTA, hypothenar atrophy, ulnar. 196. Gastric lavage contraindicated, hydrocarbon. 197. Elevated PTH, abdominal pain, renal stone, TC99 sesame B scan. 198. Child without edema, muscle wasting, marasmus. 199. Baby lethargic, sunken eyes, IVRL. 200. Trauma history, HRCT done which structure? Not seen, organ or corti. 201. Most common used in TIVA propofol. 202. Reversing the muscle relaxants, neostigmine. 203. Early cord clamping Rh negative mother. 204. Anti-diabetic which cause chlamydia infection, glyphosine. 205. Migraine treatment, triptans. 206. Graph of isoprenaline. 207. Increased GFR efferent arterial resistance. 208. Tracheal inner layer, pseudostratified columnar epithelium. 209. Lambert-Eatonson bilateral proximal lower limb weakness. 210. Which is not a defense mechanisms, sublimation. 211. Rice water stools cholera. 212. Bombay blood group patient, O negative. 213. Pancreatitis case fat necrosis. 214. Neurofibroma with cafe au lait NF1. 215. Primary action of inhibition of FSH secretion. 216. Image-based question C-cell secret which hormone calcitonin. 217. Adrenal medulla secrets adrenaline image-based question. 218. Primary lymphoid organ, thymus. 219. Trachea lining pseudostratified ciliated columnar. 220. Epiphysio-diaphyseal joint, synchondrosis. 221. Image given liner anal ligament. 222. Shrugging of shoulder accessory nerve. 223. Anterior fontanelle closes by 18 to 24 months. 224. Which structure present at the level of 25 centimeters from incisor, arch of aorta? 225. Internal capsule image. 226. Trendelenburg sign in gay question. 227. Liver segment 8 asked. 228. During surgery of patent ductus arteriosus, left recurrent laryngeal nerve can be damaged. 229. Oxygen-sensitive channel which chemoreceptor, K channel. 230. Formula UVP, clearance. 231. Newborn dry, rough skin, big tongue, cretinism. 232. Post-lumbar puncture sever headache water intake should not be done. 233. Young adult chest pain, pulsus bispirans, HCM. 234. Overcome muscle paralysis, neostigmine. 235. Generalized muscle weakness, TOSIS, double vision, tension test positive, best test, SFEMG. 236. Physiological response, high temperature, exercising, sweating, vasodilation. 237. Methotrexate mechanism of action inhibits dihydrofolate reductase. 238. Latherism due to boatoxin. 239. Eye speculum image. 240. Epidermophyton image asked. 241. Salter-Harris classification. 242. Which structure develops from sixth pharyngeal arch, ductus arteriosus? 243. Which ganglia marked area, pterygopalatine? 244. Berry case. 245. Bowing of legs, valgus, low calcium vitamin deficiency. 246. Heart of sewage disposal plant aeration tank. 247. IFA is given second trimester, lactation up to 6 months. 248. Penicillin injection, secondary prevention. 249. Calculation of relative risk -0. 5. Replacement. 251. ICE-T reduce weight direction association. 252. Bennett fracture image. 253. Bumper fracture. 254. Free residual chlorine level after chlorination -0. 5 ppm after 1 hour. 255. What is the name of staging JNA fish? 256. Anterior ethmoidal neuralgia, middle turbinate. 257. Balance, semicircular canal. 258. Otosclerosis case, ossicular fixation with intact drum. 259. Which structure developed Fromosman fat fatty tube? 260. Blood preserves sodium fluoride. 261. Treatment for gystamatinib. 262. One device image, used to measure systolic BP. 263. Amputation done after injured both legs, to use adequate prosthetics. 264. Emergency patient, diffuse abdominal pain, rigidity, laparotomy done, simple primary repair. 265. Interperitoneal mesh repair image. 266. Prick injury over palm, swelling and pus collection, incision and drainage need. 267. Not an indication of splenectomy, bone marrow failure. 268. During vomiting electrolyte condition, hypokalemic, hypochloremic, metabolic alkalosis. 269. Nerve innervates lateral rectus 6. 270. History of mosquito bite, chills, fever, malaria. Next part coming soon. Thanks for watching.